What is a virtual computer? This video is brought to you by Computer Garage with 2 locations to serve your computer needs. Computer Garage, your IT specialist. So what exactly is a virtual computer? A virtual computer is a computer inside of a computer, or in this particular case, it's multiple computers inside of one computer. For this presentation, I decided to use the Oracle Virtual Box system. It is free, so anyone can use it, and it allows you to install a variety of virtual computers. As long as you've got the software to install it, it pretty much will install it, and it allows you to customize a lot of features, such as how much RAM and hard drive space you want to use. In this particular case, you see I'm running a Windows 7 virtual machine and a Windows XP virtual machine, and on top of that is all running on Windows 10. So that's 3 computers altogether. Why? Why would anyone want a virtual computer on top of a regular computer? For the most part, virtual machines are faster at doing a lot of other things. They don't have the overhead that a normal computer does, so they can process information a lot faster. 2, if you have old software that you still love and still works for you, by installing a virtual machine, you can then install that software on your virtual machine and it will work like it used to. For example, we had a client who purchased a brand new computer from us, Windows 10, but he still used QuickBooks 95. So QuickBooks 95 is not going to work on anything new. So we had to install a virtual XP for him, install his QuickBooks 95, so he can do his accounting for his business. It works great for him. He can print, do his reports, do his payroll. He absolutely loves it. And the fact that it's so simple to use is a plus. Now, you don't have to just use your virtual computer for old software. You can use it for other purposes, and this is where parents might really enjoy this. You have your regular operating system which you use for yourself. Then you can have a virtual operating system such as Windows XP, Windows 7, whatever, installed for each of your kids. This way, if they screw up their virtual computer, your computer is still safe. It's still good. And that's another advantage. So it has inherent security properties to it. That's not to say it can't be corrupted and then fall over into the primary operating system, but it's a lot harder to do. So this way, if you're hitting those websites that you're not sure of, this just adds an extra layer of security to you. So it's smart to have one, especially if you have kids. Another thing that virtual computers do very well is using them as file servers and also as web servers and anything else that doesn't need a whole lot of user interactions, where services just run in the background and interact with other computers. Virtual computers are absolutely wonderful because they can process that information so much faster than your regular computer. So, I mean, there's just so many advantages to a virtual computer. Now, there are some things that virtual computers cannot do very well. They cannot play the high-end intensive games. So if you're playing Call of Duty, what's the new one, Fortnite, and some of those other games, that's not going to work on a virtual machine. If you're playing some of the older games where it needed a video card, those are not going to work. But simple games such as This Is Good Games Empire that's web-based should work just fine. So in conclusion, virtual computers are really, really nice to have, like I said, for the multiple reasons listed. But if you find that you want to try one out and you can't figure it out on your own, give us a call. We'll be glad to set one up for you, or multiple ones. And like I said, you can use it for, like I said, the kids for the holiday seasons, or you can use it for other purposes. But virtual machines are pretty cool in their own right. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave questions and comments here below in the comments section. Remember to like and share the video. If you have any other questions or computer questions in general, you can give us a call and we'll be glad to answer those, or stop into either of our store locations. Yeah, we'll answer your questions and give you more information about virtual computers if you would be interested in it. Thank you. Have a great day.